Welcome back, and I hope you're fresh and you'll be able to pick from where we left. I'm still fresh. I'm not getting tired until you get something from here. Now we have the points in place, and we want to start get we will start placing or configuring or placing our central gusset plate here. I'll come to steel right there, not stealing. I'll go to steel. Not stealing. This is I'll go to steal, and the steal I'll pick plate. So you go to steal and pick a plate. What a kind of a thief. Now I'll come here and take that and you move all the way to that spot and snap on that spot and move here. Move here and snap on that spot and snap on that spot. Isn't that interesting? And I come to navigate and rotate with mouse and pick my rotation point, and voila, here we are. We have our gusset place in place. I hope you've seen how we're moving, how we are selectively or how we are meticulously selecting the points to create a gusset plate. Is someone listening or someone getting lost? If you get lost, please raise your hand. I'll be able to see you from where I am. Now you can see some little bit of clashes. You can see the plate is somehow sinking deeper into this angled profile. What do you do? Can someone raise his hand? I'll raise it for you and answer that question. I'll double click on this plate. So the reason why it's sinking is because it's placed in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. Now, at that position here, I'm going to uncheck or use a different option instead of middle. I'll pick either behind or front. Not that funny. No, behind and front. The front. Front is much better. And click modify. So you see how front is good, not behind. Now I'll right click and come to navigate here and rotate this. You see that? Very interesting. Very interesting. So we no longer need these points. We no longer need these points. I hope you're getting everything right. So another thing I'm seeing here is that this end is not straight and we need that to be straight. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place another point from here to here. So this is kind of not straight, not good, not good, not good at all. Not good. And I'll come to navigate and come to rotate with mouse and select that option. And reason for that is because I want to rotate this point and be able to see it clearly. So I'll pick my rotation point from that spot and hold my left button on the mouse and I'll be able to rotate this smoothly like that. I hope you'll enjoy this. Now, I'm going to make this straight. The reason why I'm doing that because our plate is kind of slant. It's not straight, and that's not nice. That's not nice. That is not nice. I'll come to points, come to any position, and I'll pick on that spot. And I'll pick my option perpendicular. I want that line to be straight, and that is the point I want. So we can delete that point, and stretch on the other side also, and delete the point that is not straight. We want everything to be straight. Straight. We can play with this handle by just dragging this to that spot and come here, navigate and pick this and pick this handle here and drag it to that spot. Isn't that interesting? Can someone clap for us? And it's now straight. Perfect. So what do? We can now get rid of the points. So the same setting here will be applicable here. Will be applicable here. I think we're getting everything right. I think everything right. Now I'll come to points and edit. If you want to access points tool, pick edit. Because if you pick concrete, you'll get something else. If you pick steel, you'll not be able to access that point tool. Please come to edit, meaning you want to add some details. You want to add some details. You want to add some details. Now let's add some details here by picking on the points here. So I'm going to pick this, and I'm going to pick a point here and press or select perpendicular and place that one there. Reason being, I want to transfer this gusset plate to the other side. So I'm just picking, just trying to pick up or select a point where I'll be able to pick it from. So I'm going to right click and come to copy, and I want to pick it from that spot. So let me try and rotate this and see if we're making something meaningful. No, let's try. Let's try. Not meaningful and perfectly not meaningful. So let me try and rotate this. Not perfect. Not perfect. Not perfect. Not perfect. Not perfect. Move. Move, 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 move. And you can move it here. Perfect. Not right. Not right. Not right. Not right. Perfect. Let's see. Perfect. Not perfect. Not perfect. I told you it might not be the best, but it will be the best. Let's try drag this here. And let's try and just get its own setting for this. Don't try to fake things around. This is not right. This is not right. I was trying to make some shortcuts, and this might surprisingly mess you up and confuse you. And that is not what you want. Let me delete that, and let's meet straight on the next lesson, and I'll be able to put some guidelines by identifying the points, and then we follow those points to create a gusset plate. So in short, that this gusset plate and this gusset plate will not be the same. Thank you, and let's meet on the next presentation or on the next lesson. I hope you're getting something. Bye bye, this is Morris Dimba, and I hope you are still there. You are not getting lost. Let's meet then. Bye bye.